Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm showing you the Night Before Christmas 6x6 Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Mini Catalog. So this paper actually has cherry cobbler, crumb cake, crushed curry, early espresso, mossy meadow, night of navy, old olive, poppy parade, pretty peacock, and very vanilla in it. There are so many colors. It's crazy how many different colors they can jam into this fabulous look. But of course, with all those amazing gifts and things, it's super easy to make them different and have those different shades. So I'm gonna go through each of these sheets so that you can see it on the full spectrum. There are 4 each of the 2-sided sheets in the pack. So there's lots of great opportunities to be able to use both sides because you have 2 sheets to use for both sides, or you could use all 4 sheets of just one side. So that's all up to you. So pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below. Okay, so which one is your favorite? I will say that my favorite, I super love these stars. I'm also loving this one. I think that is so fabulous and can be used for a lot of projects. And then I love the light bulbs here and probably the ornaments over here. So lots of different ones, different patterns. I'm not super loving that yellow. I feel like it's a little bold or a little mustardy looking. And so I'm not super loving it like this pattern here or like this one with the hollies. But I do love the other side. So I'll still be able to use this paper and I'm super excited about it. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so that you can see projects using this paper as well as lots of other ones in the Holiday Mini Catalog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I am doing all of the Designer Series paper reveals from the Holiday Catalog so you can see what they look like on the full spectrum. So don't forget to subscribe and you won't miss out on any of those. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.